Lucky Break family, we are back at you with another video. We got some 1991 baseball premiere and some Topps 2024. And we pulled this earlier, Michael Fulmer from Detroit Tigers patch. That was earlier pull. Out of, you know, my favorite, the Collector's Edge. Save this for last. Alright, let's get into it. So we got, hopefully we get a De La Cruz or another home run ticket. Brendan Donovan, Nick Robertson, Nick Pivetta, Jorge Polanco. Oh yes, look at that. Yandy Diaz, Corey Seager, Bo Bichette. Nice. Fernando Tatis Jr. Oh, speaking of the mother, Ohtani with the 50-50. Ohtani with the 50-50. What we got here? Woo, we got Ohtani's pitcher, Stars of MLB. Nice. All right. Nice. Christian Yelich. The Gold Glove. All right. Now we're gonna get into the 1991 Topps baseball premiere. Gold pack too. Ohtani. He's been the talk of the baseball game. Ozzie Smith. Cal Ripken. Nice, a Cal Ripken. All right. Roger Clemens. We got some hits here. Denny Martinez. Jeff Reardon. Otis Nixon. Gary Scott. Alright. Got Ohtani. Christian Yelich. And Cade Marlowe rookie card. Can't forget about the Fernando Tatis Jr. That's a pretty boy.